Welcome all. Myself Rameshwari Mutalkar from the Model College. We are going to start the subject Mathematics and Statistics for the Standard 12 branch Arts and Science paper 1, and we are going to start chapter 1 Mathematical Logic. Logic. See, mathematics is a logical subject, we know that, and it tries to be exact. For exactness, it requires proofs, which depends upon proper reasoning, and reasoning requires logic. So logic and reasoning both are interrelated. So we see that theoretically, the word logic is derived from Greek word logos, which means reason. Therefore, logic deals with the method of reasoning. Here I am going to mention one thing, that the applications of logic. If we are going to study something, so we should know the applications of that term. So logic is basically improves our thinking. The most general application are those to study of the language. Also, logic has been applied to study of knowledge, norms and time. Logical statement. Which statement is called as logical statement? In language there are variety of sentences. First we see the definition. A statement is a declarative or assertive sentence which is either true or false but not both simultaneously. Repeat. A statement is a declarative or assertive sentence which is either true or false but not both simultaneously. Like, every triangle has 3 sides. So this sentence tells us the truth value. Truth value means it is either true or false. In front of you the sentence is there, so if within a second you can tell this sentence is true or false. So the first sentence tells that it is true. So it is a logical statement. Second, 4 into 5 is equal to 25. And we know that 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So it is false. So false also we can take as a logical statement. So these two are the examples of logical statement. But the question is, can we take every sentence in the language as a logical statement? No. So these are the specification for that. So we are here discussing about the types of sentences. First one, declarative. We know that it is having the truth values either true or false. Few examples in front of you. First one, a natural number is an integer. It is true. In bracket I have written T for the truth value true and F for the truth value false. Second example, area of a circle is 2 pi r. Can you see? So last column I have mentioned here whether it is a statement or not. So every declarative sentence is logical statement. Second, interrogative sentence. Here it asks question and ends with the question mark. For example, do you like to play tennis? How are you? What are you doing? Etc. So these are not the examples of logical statement. Third one, exclamatory sentences. You can simply identify these sentences by exclamatory mark, and this mentions emotions. For example, what a beautiful place it is. The dog is cute. So it is not logical statement. Fourth one, imperative sentence. In these sentences, they give commands or request. For example, give me book, please help me. So this is not the part of logical statement. So everywhere, just I put up the only in front of the declarative sentence is a logical statement. One important note for us that it is, before going to tell you this thing, we should know there are two types of sentences. One is open and another is closed. So what do you mean by open? Open sentences means they are not going to tell us definite truth value. And closed sentences means they are telling the truth value either true or false. So here it is, open sentences are not logical statements. Fix this in your mind. Mathematical statements with one or more variables are not logical statements. These are also open sentences. So you may have question, which mathematical statements we are talking about. So there is example in front of you. First one, 2x plus 5 equals to 6. If we solve this, 2x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 2, isn't it? So for x is equal to 1 by 2 only this is true, but for other values this equation is false. And second example is, he is a smart. Who is he? We don't know. Specifically, if you are talking about someone, then you can say he is a smart. But here, person wise, situation wise, that meaning of that sentence changes. That means truth value varies from person to person. In these sentences, truth value depends upon situation. Such sentences are called open sentences, and open sentence is not statement. You can collect various examples in front of you for that and check. From exercise I have taken some examples like 5 plus 4 equal to 30. We have to state whether it is a statement or not, and if it is, then truth value of it. So you have to write it down. Just I explain in front of you. 5 plus 4 is equal to 13. It is false. So it is logical statement. Clear? Second, x minus 3 equal to 14. Here it is a variable in that unknown variable, and that statement does not tell us the truth value for other values of x. Hence, this second statement is also not a statement. Third one, close the door. Close the door, it is which type of sentence? Imperative sentence. It is a command. So it is not a statement. Fourth one, 0 is complex number. Yes, the 0 is complex number. We can write down 0 as a 0 plus 0i. So it is true. So when you got the answer either true or false, you can take it as a statement. So 0 is a complex number is a statement. Yes. Fifth one, please give me breakfast. It is request. Again, it is imperative sentence. Hence, it is not a sentence. Sixth one, x square equal to x. This, we are having two values of x if we are going to solve this, and other values of x, we are not getting the truth values. It is open sentence. You have to write down the reason. Open sentence. Hence, it is not a statement. So, for you the work is exercise 1.1. Collect the examples and check whether they are statements or not. You can make your own sentences and check whether they are the logical statements or not. Overall, you have to remember one thing: only declarative sentences which which have either truth value, true or false. They are the logical statements. Don't consider open sentence as a statement. I think you must have understood this first topic. After that, we are going to study the next topic, that is connectives in the logical and simple and compound statements. So let me see in the next session. Till then,